Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Thomas, one half of M&T Travels. Man, I got some exciting news for y'all today, man. I got something for the channel. I think it's gonna change everything. Let's check it out. And y'all, it's right here, man. Check it out. Got the DJI Mini 3 Pro, man. So excited for this. Let's open it up and show y'all what's inside. So first off, you're gonna have your accessory kit in there. Let's open this up, see what's in mine. Let's see. Sorry, I got really fat fingers, not gonna lie. Oh, cool. Okay, got some extra blades. Those are always needed. Let's see. Instruction manual, stuff I should read, and I will read. It's not right now while we're doing this. Let's see. Screwdriver. That was very important having this. These are really needed. So glad we have one of those. Like, get those screws in there. Those screws are really small, y'all. And then last but not least, USB-C to USB-C cable. Those are always needed. As everything transitions over there. By the way, you guys know this is a travel channel. A lot of places where I travel just put in USBs. And I'm like, ooh, y'all a little late on that one, bro. Like Carnival ships just ones just came out have USBs. One of the Seas has USBs. Like a lot of hotels I got to, like newly renovated as like last year, have USB. And I'm like, I just still got USB-A. Talking about like this is USB-C, like 2 generations on there. We'll talk about that later though. But yeah, that's what came in the box, but y'all looking for something else as well. So let's get to it. Boom, boom, boom. I got a charger right now. So, but here it is, man. Here it is, man. It's right here. Bam. Your DJI Mini 3 right there for y'all, man. I haven't even opened the fins yet. I got to figure that out first. But yeah, I'm just so happy with this purchase. Like, no joke, I'm so happy with getting this, man. I just happen to live in the worst area to fly drones, and I do mean the worst. I don't think anybody has the worst area to fly than where we live. But I'm really excited to get this, man. Let me show you how it actually opens up. So I'm gonna unplug this real quick. While I unplug this, I'm gonna charge this because I got this controller with it. I already put the sticks on there because they get tucked in the back. But yeah, I wanted to fly with the display. Again, this is my first drone here, so I saw people using their phones, and I was like, you know, I could, but it's not how I want to do it every time. And I was like, you know what, let me just splurge a little bit extra and get this right here, and I'll show y'all how the clarity is on this as well. But yeah, this was so dope to get this. So let me plug this in right here. Bam. And just to let y'all know, I got 2 of these before I even got the drone. Like, I ordered these before I got the drone. One is going to go in the controller to record via the 1080 on there, and then one goes into the drone, obviously, to record the footage of when I'm flying, and we can render that later in 4K. But make sure you get minimum 2. I'm probably going to double up again in a couple of days, so probably going to have 4, just a backup of each one. But yeah, I get 64 just because I don't really need 128. This thing can't fly that long, so that's why I got these. So back to the drone now. So you see we have the legs here, and to take this apart, actually, what we're going to do, I believe, videos I've watched, we're going to fold down. Ooh. We're going to fold down, and then we're going to back and back. Now, this is a heads up, you don't need to do that in any different order. I mean, I can go forward and down, either way, it doesn't matter. I just did it. Jeez, just did it like that. I'm sorry, y'all. Again, this is my first drone here, and here we are, man. It's DJI Mini 3 Pro. It came out the box just like this. I didn't have to actually install these. Came with the battery pack already inside. See if I can get this come out. There we go. It's really light, y'all. Like, I wish I could explain to y'all how light this is. It doesn't feel real. Again, for being my first drone, I'm like, no way this could be real, but it is. like I mean, every All the components are in there. It's just so light. It's so light, man. And then like put the battery back in there, just boom, and bam, you're good. You're good. Again, got your gimbal right there. I brought an ND filter somewhere around here. Jeez, sorry, my desk is a mess. Got this off of Amazon, so I'll let you know how that flies in the air. Should be good. But yeah, man, this drone is just, oh, I mean, looking at the optical sensors again, you got the front ones here, back ones there, bottom ones right there. It's just so exciting to have this thing, man. I feel truly blessed that y'all allowed me to get something like this. Oh, I didn't even realize I took out the foam in there. Jeez, didn't even know I had the foam in there. Okay, all right, I probably should take that out fairly soon. There we go. But yeah, this is cool. Now I heard to put the drone cap back on here, the easiest way, I mean the gimbal cap, was to hold it like this up, and then this should click in, and it did. Yeah, that's simple. So for y'all who have issues putting that cap on, just hold it upright and it goes right in pretty quickly. So now that I have this, let's fold it back down, see how easy that is. One, again, I'm gonna push it down. Oh, did not mean to hit that power button. Two, and then one, and two. There we go. Cool. All right, now again, I gotta get out further away from where I live currently, because again, I live in the worst area for flying drones, because you just simply can't do it here. They don't even take off here. So probably gonna go out to the countryside and see if I can get this thing up in the air, and I'll let you know how it is there. But all in all, like, just the unboxing of this right here, it feels really good. If you get this, know that you made a sound purchase, and this is before I even taken off on flight. It just feels like quality when you hold it. I did get the DJI K on here, so let's see how that goes with it. But yeah, like in terms of just holding this right here, turning on the controller and everything, it just feels right. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Again, we do travel videos. I'm gonna talk to y'all more about travel tech, how to use it. I'm so excited. Again, thank y'all very much for the opportunity. Again, one half of M&T Travels, your boy Thomas. See y'all on the next one. Peace.